guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will be probably playing VR Hands. So VR Hands is basically like an Oculus Rift game, like where regular players with just no Oculus, no VR sets can play, but also people with the Oculus Rift and other ones like that can play. So basically, as you can see here, the people with the Oculus can have big hands, but the people with knots can be like just a normal kid. So, and they can pick you up, fling you, be mean to you, be nice to you, and become friends, like anything to that. So we're gonna join and see what's happening. Oh gosh, guys, I'm still a Yeti. I should probably change. I'll see you guys when I'm back. Okay, guys, we are back and we're joined. Avatar is still loading. There's so many people. Oh, there's so many people and stuff like that to do stuff with and stuff like that. Let's go see what we can find. We're gonna go over here. We're gonna try to talk to people and stuff like that and see what they have going on. So yeah. Ant help. Oh my gosh, there's so many things going on. Oh, let's go on this rocket. Okay, so I said I'm ready. Oh, no one was holding it. Oh, now they are. Ready. Oh, for a second I thought. It's like a boomerang, guys. We can see what's going on. Oh, look. I know what they're doing right there. No! Okay, we're back. Please don't fling me. He's being so mean! I'm ready for my life. Oh, hi. Hi. Okay. There's so many things going on. You wanna play chess or something? There's so many things going on. I don't know what to think. Okay. Please don't fling me. Please don't fling me. No! We're back again. Please don't kill me this time. Okay, where should we go, guys? We're gonna go maybe so there's 24 VR players and 23 now normal players in the server. So basically, I'm not playing on the Oculus Rift right now, but I am playing on computer right now. Oh look, we're gonna try to. I wonder what they're doing. Looks like they're like talking. Or doing something like that. Oh my gosh, did you guys see that? No, please don't flick me, please don't flick me. No! No! Okay guys, I'm back. Let's hope they don't fling me this time. There's stuff in the way. Oh, yes, let's go to the obby. Guys, I'm very bad at obbies on computer. I'm scared. Oh my god, that was a big fling. No! Okay, then we're just gonna be flying in the sky. Okay, we're back. No one seems to be helping me, so we're just gonna go down here. Doesn't seem like there's any VR players anymore. I feel like all like somewhere where we can be. try to get on this rocket right there. There's too many things. Let me get on. Oh, I'm on. This is where most of the players are. Whee! Where is that going to? Well, we're taking this trip. Oh, land. What just happened? No, I don't want to land here. Guys, we're gonna try to get some people to say hi to my YouTube channel. Say hi to YouTube. Yes, they're saying hi. This is so funny. Oh no! Oh my gosh, they're so fun. Yes. Now we're gonna see what they can do. No! Let's go back, get over to them. Do TikTok dance. Oh my god. Do TikTok dance. Oh no! What are they doing with me? Say hi to YouTube. Don't dip me in the water. I don't want to be dipped in the water. What are you doing with me? Oh my gosh, please get me. Oh my gosh, help me. Oh my gosh! Okay, so we're back. Where's the guy that was green? He was so friendly. Oh, he's up there. Bringing someone somewhere. Well, basically that, guys, that's it for today's video. I just wanted to show you guys some VR people and what they can do to you and stuff like that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I want you guys to subscribe and like, and guys, and yeah, that person that was green, he was so friendly, stuff like that. And you can also make friends on here if you guys join, but some people can also fling you, flick you, all kinds of things like that. But I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like and share. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye! Bye!